with the 2x4s, I cut through a nail. Now, some blades can actually go through nails, but not these blades. And I wouldn't even do it with a battery powered. I'd only do it with a plugged in. So I busted the blade. You can't tell, but it has these little teeth on it, on the forward section there. And when those teeth get dull, you can wash it in soap and stuff, or when they get what's called pitch. Pitch is residue from wood after multiple uses. You can brush it off with dish soap. Some people use mineral spirits. You can use many things. I've used a combination of kerosene and motor oil, which really works well. You can even use, believe it or not, graphite pencil, because graphite lubricates and can clean. You can use shavings of that. Grab that Allen wrench, and I'm going to spin that off, and in 2 minutes I'll have a brand new one on there. Diablo, ready to go. I bought this, I think, a couple of years ago. I never used it, so I'm glad I saved it. I had a little package. I knew I was going to need it. I did. I knew I was going to need it. I have to buy, and now that I'm using this one, I got to buy another one. But I'm not going to get a Diablo, because these Diablos are really good quality, and I don't want to waste them on what I'm doing here. I just want to get a framing one, which is going to be about 26 teeth. And this one's 40 teeth, and you can go as high as like 60 teeth. I think even 75 teeth. That's for very fine work, and it doesn't create a tear out. This was the Dewalt blade. It came with this one, but it's now done. I'm going to take it off. A good blade can last you several months or more, depending on how much you use it. If you use it tons, maybe even a few weeks, like a contractor, but I'm not doing that kind of stuff. But mine usually can go several months with heavy use. So I'll swap this one out and put the new one in.